Five.
Okay. Investigators believe Otter may have been taken by 20-year-old Teresa Ochoa, also known as Toby, a white Hispanic female identifying as male, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 180 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. The two may be traveling in a 1999 Toyota 4Runner, Colorado license plate AFQS92. They are believed to be in the Denver metro area at this time. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.